My name is Barry Stevens. I'm the co-founder of 3D Wave Design, which I operate with my son. 3D Wave Design is all about doing climate change modeling, a 3D climate change modeling for non-technical people so they can make decisions and plan and adapt.
Yeah, so where we're actually doing the interview is where I grew up for most of my life. Barry probably mentioned that he and I used to build computers together. That sparked the interest with technology at an early age. But the lens that I looked at technology was typically through an artistic lens. I was a storyteller. I liked doing little animations on the computer. That's been my journey, is starting something through an art perspective and storytelling perspective, and then connecting it back to the more analytical math and calculus kind of stuff.
You add 1.86 meters on top of that. You're in there. I mean, this will all be underwater.
Yeah, just through natural sea level rise.
2.4 meters now. That's what I showed you, that it's starting to breach the roads, right? 2.4 meters.
And that's a normal now.
And we see this all the time, not every day, not every week, but again and again. So we've got, like right now we're going, the highest is 1.7, okay, 1.8, okay. And these were the tall ones when I was young. 1.8. Okay, great. Oh, now let's get into Saturday and Sunday. 2.4, 2.1, 2.3, 2.1, 2.2. This is a big deal. We live in an artificial environment. We create our own places where it's warm and it's cozy. We control the wind, the rain, and all of this. We live in cities where the roads are paved. There's telephone. You turn on the lights, and we think that we're in control. We have to go and accept and react proactively to rising sea level.
When people look at information, we make visual associations. For people to really make informed decisions around climate mitigation, we need a visual reference, and I really hope that that's what our tool offers with the photorealism.
A lot of our communities don't have the capacity or the infrastructure to have a mechanical or civil engineer on there. Well, even the town of Mahone Bay and Lunenburg, at times there is no town engineer, or they have one on a consulting basis. So we wanted to give the decision makers, whether they be chiefs, band councils, mayors, or of the municipalities or towns, the ability to assess risk and to realize that they need to get somebody in here to go and evaluate this. If you want to be a software developer or programmer working for us or anybody, you can be self-taught.
It's the portfolio that matters.
It's the portfolio that matters. It's what you can do and what you've accomplished.
So yeah, you don't necessarily have to get post-secondary to get a job with a software company like us. For me, when we look at hiring people, it's all about the portfolio.
And so you don't necessarily have to go back and for 5-6 years to study computer science. Not that I'm against that, but if that's not an option for you, you can actually self-teach and have a successful career. For people to grow and to explore, you need mentorship. I have been mentored, and I tend to like to mentor people who seek me out, and I know that they're ready. So it's key. And Ulnooweg Education Centre, from my perspective, is a major step in the right direction for First Nation communities here in Atlantic Canada.